I'm always on the hunt for new and unique potato recipes. There's just something about potatoes. They can be comforting, they can be rich, they can be whatever you want them to be. If you're like me, a lover of all things potato, this Kashmiri Aloo Dum is unusual, delicious, and also really easy to make. I vaguely remember eating something similar at a party when I was a kid. I don't remember much else about it. Just the taste, the distinct flavor it carried. I didn't realize I'd been looking for it all these years until I found this recipe. It has no onions, no tomatoes, not even ginger garlic paste. The most time consuming part of this recipe is frying the boiled potatoes in mustard oil until they're beautifully golden. The mustard oil, it is a non-negotiable. While the potatoes are frying, you can get everything else ready. Grind the fennel powder, grate the dried ginger, whisk the yogurt until it's smooth and creamy, or just sit back and enjoy a quiet cup of tea. You could also use that time to make Mujh Chetin, which translates to radish chutney in Kashmiri, though it's really more like a raitha. It's quite simple. Grate a couple of radishes. Pink radishes are beautiful for color, but white ones are fine too. Whisk some yogurt, then add it all together. Add salt, a gentle sprinkle of pepper, and mix it all together. If you have walnuts on hand, chop a few for a bit of crunch, and that's Mujh Chetin for you. Once you've set the fried potatoes aside, in the remaining oil, add a pinch of Aesofotida, a couple of cloves, and a few dried bay leaves. Let them bloom gently. What follows is the essence of the dish. A big heap of fennel powder, a dash of dried ginger, Kashmiri chilli powder for color and warmth, all folded into a rich velvety yogurt gravy. Fried potatoes go back in, soaking in all the lovely goodness from the aromatic gravy. And finally, a sprinkle of Garam masala for the finishing touch. I paired it with a simple pulao and Mujh Chetin. Cool, fresh, and the perfect contrast to the warm rustic Aloo Dum. It made for the perfect Sunday lunch.